Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a question from PRMO exam 2014. The question is, prove that there does not exist any positive integer n which is less than 2310 such that n in bracket 2310 minus n is a multiple of 2310. This question is based on concept of number theory. Now I am going to give solution of this question. Suppose there exists an integer n such that n lies between 0 to 2310 and n into 2310 minus n is multiple of 2310. Say this is 2310k. What is k here? K is some positive integer. So what we have done in this step, we have simply assumed this n into 2310 minus n is a multiple of 2310. Say this is 2310k. Why k is positive? Because n is between 0 to 2310. N lies from 0 to 2310. This means that this is always positive, this is always positive, this quantity is always positive, and this is always positive. N is always positive, so positive into positive, what we find? This is positive. So k must be some positive integers. Now, if you simplify this, what you find? This is 2310 n minus n square is equal to 2310k. This is equal to 2310k. Now simplifying this, what we find? We find n square is equal to 2310 n minus k. So what we find? We find n minus k is nothing but n square upon 2310. Now what is given? It is given that n is integer and k is also integer. N is integer and k is also integer. So n minus k must be integer. Why it must be integer? Because n is integer and k is also integer. From here k is also integer and n is also integer. So what can we say? We can say that n minus k is also integer, but n is less than 2310. It is given from here. N is less than 2310. So n minus k is less than 2310. Now, what is in RHS? RHS, this RHS is n squared divided by 2310. This must be integer, because n minus k is integer. This is integer, so this must be integer. Now, what is 2310? If you factorize by using the concept of prime factorization, 2310 is written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. So what we find? 2310 as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. This power is power of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 all equals 1. So what can we say? From here we conclude, we find that power of 2 is 1 here, power of 3 is also 1, 5 is also 1, 7 is also 1 and 11 is also 1. So we conclude that n must be multiple of of 2310. Then only n square by 2310 is an integer. So what we find finally? So we can say that n square by 2310 is always greater than or equal to 2310. This is an integer and this is always greater than equal to 2310. But LHS n minus k is always be less than 2310. So what does it mean? This is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. So LHS is less than 2310 and RHS is always greater than 2310. So what can we say? LHS can never be equal to RHS. LHS can never be equal to RHS. So there is no value of n. So what can we say? There is no value of n such that n into this n into 2310 minus n is multiple of 2310. So key step here is this. This is the key step. (2310) can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. So what we find here this power of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 all equals 1. So from here we can say that if n square upon 2310 is integer, therefore what can we say? N must be multiple of 2310. If n is multiple of 2310, therefore n square by 2310 is always greater than or equal to 2310. So but LHS is always less than 2310 because n is less than 2310. It is given in the question. N is less than 2310 and k is some positive integer. So it is always less than 2310. So LHS can never be equal to RHS. So hope you understand this solution and enjoyed the video. Thank you and see you in next video.